Just about every report on Google Analytics contains a graph of some sort. Here, I'm looking at the audience overview report. And you'll notice in the center of the screen, I have a line chart depicting sessions over time. Now, we know that this is depicting sessions because we have a key in the upper left-hand corner of the chart showing the dark blue circle and sessions. You'll also see that the metric selected is sessions in this drop-down menu. We'll see that the dates along the bottom, March 5th through March 11th, correspond to the dates that I've selected in the upper right-hand corner. So let's say that we want to look at a different metric in this chart. I can select sessions from the drop-down menu in the upper left-hand corner and change this to, say, percentage of new sessions. Now we can see that the data has changed to show us the percentage of new sessions over the date range that we've previously selected. You'll also notice that as you hover over each data point, you'll see the exact values that correspond to the metric that you've selected. In this case, March 7th had 75% new sessions. In the upper right-hand corner of the chart, we can change the time view. Here we have it selected today, but I could choose hourly. And here we can see this data hourly. And as I scroll over, you'll see the time change. You can select week, which in this case is going to be a single data point as we only have a week selected. Or we could choose month, which again isn't going to help us unless we bring in more data. Say from August 1st to March 12th. So here we can see the data points month by month. Now you'll also notice that in the upper left-hand corner, we have the opportunity to compare two metrics. In this case, we could compare, say, sessions versus bounce rate. In the upper left, we can identify that the key shows bounce rate as the light blue line and sessions as the dark blue line. Here we can see that our bounce rate started to improve in November and December, but started to get worse again January, February, and March. And this is helpful to me. Oftentimes, you'll find that these charts become most helpful when you begin to compare two metrics over a particular date range. Additionally, we could compare something else, say sessions versus users. You can also type in the search box to look for particular metrics that are available to you in this section. If you want to remove a comparison, simply choose the X option next to that drop-down menu. You'll find that most of these charts and graphs are very intuitive to work with. You can modify the metrics in the upper left-hand corner, and oftentimes you may see different icons next to the time view if you can view this line chart in, say, a graph or a ball chart. Take some time to explore adding metrics to your various graphs. And remember, these metrics are going to be specific to the type of report that you're in.